Okay fellas, so got an Avon grip. It's got alloy parts and rubber parts, and the throttle tube is stuck on the inside. So what you're going to do first, in the gut, it's a bit hard to see, but there's a little screw and a washer. So you want to get that out first, just undo it with a long screwdriver. And once you get the screw and the washer out the center of it, the end of the cap should just pop off. If yours is the style that's got an end on it. So that's like an alloy end. And then what you want to do is just pop your grip into a cup and just fill the cup up with boiling water. You can put a bit of detergent in it too. And you're going to need a rag, so have a rag ready, because that grip is going to be red hot once you pull it out. Okay, so you got the grip, you just pulled it out. Just pulled it out of the water, and I'm going to use a vise for this, but you could use pliers or whatever. Just stick a bit of the throttle tube, I mean it's busted anyway, so it doesn't matter too much. Just stick it in a vise. Grip it as hard as it can go. And what you're going to have to do, oh that's hot, what you're going to have to do is wiggle it left and right, and just keep wiggling it, and eventually it'll come off the grip, just like that. And now you can buy a replacement tube, which is cheap. Instead of buying a whole new grip, you can just buy them tubes on eBay. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful.